Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 27th, 2026, and we're diving into UPS's fourth quarter 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. UPS has released some interesting numbers this quarter, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. UPS reported consolidated revenues of $24.5 billion for the fourth quarter of 2025. John, how does this compare to their profitability metrics?
UPS has shown a solid performance in terms of profitability. Their operating margin stands at 10.5%, with a non-GAAP adjusted operating margin of 11.8%. The adjusted earnings per share came in at $2.38, which is above the analyst's forecast of $2.22. This indicates strong operational efficiency and cost management.
Segment performance analysis. John, can you break down the performance across UPS's different segments?
Sure. The U.S. domestic segment saw a revenue of $16.8 billion, which is a slight decline due to expected volume decreases. However, revenue per piece increased by 8.3%. The international segment performed well with a 2.5% revenue increase, driven by a 7.1% rise in revenue per piece. The supply chain solutions segment faced a 12.7% revenue decline, primarily due to lower volumes in the mail innovations business. Additionally, UPS declared a quarterly dividend of $1.64 per share, reflecting their commitment to returning value to shareholders.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. UPS has been making strategic moves, such as retiring their MD-11 fleet. How does this fit into their broader strategy, and what are their expectations for 2026?
The retirement of the MD-11 fleet is part of UPS's fleet modernization efforts, which aim to enhance efficiency and reduce costs. Looking ahead, UPS expects 2026 to be a pivotal year, with projected revenues of approximately $89.7 billion. They plan to invest $3 billion in capital expenditures and anticipate dividend payments of around $5.4 billion, subject to board approval. These initiatives are aligned with their strategy to deliver growth and sustained margin expansion.
CEO insights and company vision. What insights did CEO Carol Tomé provide regarding UPS's performance and future direction?
Carol Tomé expressed gratitude to UPS employees for their dedication, highlighting the company's best-in-class customer service during peak periods. She emphasized that 2025 was a year of significant progress, focusing on revenue quality and building a more agile network. Tomé views 2026 as an inflection point for executing their strategy to drive growth and expand margins, especially with the completion of the Amazon glide down.
Key takeaways. In summary, UPS has delivered a strong fourth quarter performance with revenues of $24.5 billion and an adjusted EPS of $2.38, surpassing analyst expectations. Their strategic initiatives and 2026 guidance indicate a positive outlook. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. UPS's focus on operational efficiency and strategic growth positions them well for the future.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on UPS's performance in the comments below.